This is the Sony ULT Field 5. It is $300 bass focus speaker, and is it worth it in this increasingly competitive mid-sized portable speaker market? I love that this thing comes with a little strap. Today, I'm going to share my thoughts after using it for a little bit. Just turn myself there. It's heavy duty. Let's get into it. Now, in terms of the look and feel, it's got this beautiful like fabric consistency around it, which I really love. It's stunning. And then it has these straps. So if you don't want them, you can just take them out and then press that in like so. I prefer having them on because it's just like a fun way to carry it around. And they hook right in. You can power this on. It's got a beautiful startup sound. And then it has LEDs on the side. These are the side of the speakers. And when you play music, bloop, it's gonna like bump. And then there's alt modes here where you can turn on and off and change volume controls, connect it to multiple speakers. And this is a very sturdy wall-made button right here. If you need to charge it, there's USB-C, audio in, battery, light. You can turn the lights.
Battery about 60%.
Boom, look how easy that is to use. And then it's got these little grippy feet on the bottom. If you want to place it on anything, you can place it horizontally like so, or you can actually place it vertically like so as well to play music. This actually comes in a black, and this is the off-white color, but the off-white does show dirt a little easier, so you just want to make sure you keep it clean. Now, who is this for? This is for bass lovers who need powerful outdoor sound without jumping to a full-size party speaker like a Tower 9, which I will have a video on as well. The dimensions are 12.6 inches by 5.7 by 4.9. You can see it's definitely thin that way. It weighs 3.3 kilograms or 7.3 pounds, and you get 25 hours of battery life with the volume level with alt on and lights off. In the real world, about 12 hours at 80% volume with alt 2 mode with the lights off. And maximum volume will get you 2.5 hours. It is water and dust resistant, IP67, shockproof, rustproof, so you can take it to the pool, the beach. I think that's the one thing I love about it. You just swing it on yourself and you can take it to anywhere you want. It's got a driver system, a two-way active X-balance speaker unit with two 4.6 centimeter tweeters and dual passive radiators. It uses Bluetooth 5.3 with multi-point. It has Google Fast Pair, SBC, AAC, and LDAC codecs, and a 30+ meter reliable range. It also uses a power bank to charge your iPhone with USB-C. You can quick charge this device in 10 minutes to get 100 minutes of playback, and has Party Connect, so you can link up to 100 of these speakers in stereo pairing, which is insane. You can do the Alt 5, the Alt 7, the Sony Tower ones. It's freaking crazy. Now, how does it sound? I've used this and it sounds amazing. When you're doing something outdoors and you just want to move this around, or maybe you shower and you want to use this, this is beautiful. The Alt 1 provides deeper, lower frequency bass. It can be a little overwhelming indoors, but Alt 2 provides more powerful, punchy bass that's more balanced. And when it gets impressively loud, I've never gotten it full volume because it can get pretty loud. Without Alt mode, the speaker sounds thin and hollow, so it's nice that it has that compared to the predecessors like the XG300 or the XB43. Now, other cool things, you have the Sony Sound Connect app, which you can use with the headphones. The Tower speaker, like all their audio devices use that app. You can change the 10-band E connection priority toggle, sound field optimization, DJ effects, party light customization, and just note you can't use custom EQ with the alt modes, but you do have full control and you can change all the settings you want. There's a covered USB-C port like I showed before. That's just to protect it. That's the advantage over the JBL Xtreme 4, which has an exposed port. So you can use the USB-C instead of a barrel connector. There's a 360 party light, the LED strips which rage around the radiators that pulse in time to the music, and it's much more visible than the XG300's hidden lighting, and it can be controlled via the app or rear panel button. Now, what are the downsides? It's good material with IP67, but this white does show a little bit of dirt. You can kind of see that even right here. And then the battery degradation, which happens with most devices after 2 or 3 years of heavy use. So you just want to make sure that you're doing good battery care with it. And then the inflexibility around EQ customization. You must choose between alt or custom EQ. You can't do both. I know some people might want that. And it just doesn't sound as bassy when you don't have alt mode enabled. So you're like, I want custom EQ and alt mode. Can't do that. 10-band EQ is functional, but it cannot replace the bass impact of alt modes. The alt modes are just next level. It's something you have to experience. And 7.3 pounds, it's definitely heavier than the JBL Xtreme 4, but it has similar capabilities. It's not too heavy and bulky. You can slip it in a bag, wear it like this, shoulder strap, maybe even run with it. And for $350, there are no hidden expenses. This thing is freaking dope. We do have a link down in the description if you do plan to buy it. Clicking that link helps support the channel. Now, is it worth it? And who is it for? I think it's worth it for people who want bass-focused music. You want powerful outdoor sound with party features. But it's not worth it if you want clarity focus, you want balanced analytical sound. Like I have the Yamaha HS5s and I use that for editing. But this is for partying. I just wish the battery would last longer. I wish that this was a little bit lighter, but I think for the size, you're getting a lot of cool things. Remember, link is down in the description. Click that link. We'll see you in the next one. This is the Sony ULT Field 5. Subscribe, follow me at Shervin on all socials. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.